Yo, what is up, YouTube? As you can see, it's me, TJ, back again, making another video. So I hope you enjoy. Let's go. Okay, well, this is a hair update. As you can see, at first these was 2-strand twists, but now they're dreads. I did decide to make them dreads, and I did get my first retwist. I'm sorry I didn't record. It just slipped my mind because, as you know, I do record on a phone. And the first thing when I grab my phone is not to record, if y'all can understand that. So, yeah, it's not that I don't post, it's just that I just keep forgetting to record shit. You feel me? Cause I be doing stuff. I just forget to record it and stuff like that. But anyway, I'm recording right now, so that's the only thing that matters. The only thing y'all should be worried about right now. So I'm recording, posting a video. But yes, I do have dreads now. Tell me what y'all think. It's a hair update. It's not gonna be that long. I did get a retwist already, if y'all can't see. Like, I should be getting another one maybe in 2 weeks, maybe 3. I'm not sure. But here's a 360 view. That's me. I got dreads. Yo, now all I need to do is dye the tips. So that's when y'all come in. Y'all gotta tell me what color to get and all that. I'm serious too. Y'all gotta tell me. Cause I really wanna do something with this hair. You feel me? I really wanna do something to it. But only thing I gotta do now is wait for them to get bigger. So wait for them to get longer. Cause right now, I'm kinda short, you know what I'm saying? Not like I'm ugly or nothing. Hopefully, goddamn. But yeah, this is not even a long video, short video. Short day. It's a Monday. Who has time for a long video on a Monday? Am I right? It's Monday. It's the first day of the week. Don't no one like Monday. But yeah, this is my hair right now. I got dreads. I hope y'all enjoying this video as much as I am making it. Anyway, stay tuned for my next video. I'm sorry this video was so short. I'm sorry it took me a long time to come out with another one. But y'all gotta realize, I'm a busy person. I got a life too. But I am still here to post for y'all. So that should be all that matters. All y'all need to do is subscribe. Hit that like button on my videos. So I know that y'all like them. And so I know what content to post. Because if y'all like them, then I'll post the same thing. But y'all don't be liking, so I don't know what to post. So thank you. Play your part, I'll play my part. We in this together. This has been TJtv. And you already know what I'm finna say. I'm out. Y'all already know what to do at this point. Hit that subscribe button. Never miss another video. Be a part of TJ Squad and be connected all around. Thank you.